Now coming to the one of the again most important topic which everybody asks us, if we have a standard ERP and we are generating the invoices, then what is the requirement in phase one? What we really need to do? See, we have found out not only one, two, three, but approximately 15 to 16 situations where you need to be ready within your ERP if you are want to be ZK approved or ZK compliant. So there is a requirement of Arabic language, singles invoice sequence number, which we just discussed. That sequence should be there. Invoice need to be absolutely into the mandatory field, and whatever is required, the fields which has been provided by the Z card should be there. You have to store all your invoices electronically with specified naming convention and 100% of the matching of the e-invoice. So it's not just that you are generating the invoice and whatever data you are providing the VAT return without taking a note of it will work. No, you have to ensure that the data provided in the VAT return as well as the e-invoice that should be same. And coming to the prohibited conditions which has been provided by the ZCA guideline. So the government has provided multiple aspects, like they should not be anonymous access. It's not like the person subject to invoice regulation, they should not access the system without proper logging into the system. They have to have a unique login ID and password. When we talk about the default password, it's not that any default password or factory password you can use for the purpose of generating the invoices. It should be proper, absolute, user wise password should be present. User session management, the system must log all user activities associated with the invoice generation process, right from login authentication to the continuing with the all the system function. There cannot be any modification, there cannot be any deletion. You have to handle all those transactions by way of a debit and credit note. You are not allowed to to modify or delete any type of transaction, any type of session, any type of log, any type of activity which has been done at the time of generation of e-invoice. You are not allowed to delete those transactions. You cannot you cannot reset your counter. You can invoice counter reset functionality should not be there. Sequence should be maintained. You are not allowed to change the time, not allowed to export any stamping keys, right? Sequence should be well maintained. These are some critical aspects. If your ERP has all these features, then it is ZK compliant. Otherwise, not. Please take my word very seriously. You have to have a complete, this requirement enabled in your system so as to be, ZK compliant.